In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multiple services in Acuity Scheduling, which can be an efficient way to manage appointments and give your clients more flexibility. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger team, ensuring that your clients have a smooth booking experience is essential. First, let's explore how you can allow clients to seamlessly book multiple appointments in one transaction. You'll want to start by navigating to the scheduling page in your Acuity Scheduling account. This is essentially your command center, where you can fine-tune how your clients interact with your services. Once you're there, head over to the settings section. This is where you have the power to customize your client's booking experience. The key here is to ensure that clients have the option to add more appointments without having to start the process over for each service. To do this, you need to uncheck the Hide Add Another Time box. What this does is it removes any restrictions your clients might face when trying to book multiple services during a single interaction. Remember to click Save Changes here. This step is crucial as it finalizes your settings and ensures that everything you've adjusted is properly set. Once you've made these changes, when your clients go through the booking process, they'll notice a smoother, more integrated system. As they select their first service, they will now see the option to add another time slot to their cart before they check out. This option allows them to effortlessly compile all the services they wish to book in a single transaction. It's a real convenience booster that can enhance customer satisfaction and streamline their booking journey. Now, you might want to consider more advanced strategies for your scheduling needs, particularly if you're managing multiple service types. One method involves setting up separate calendars for different services. By doing this, clients can select from a variety of services, all organized neatly into their own categories. While it can be a bit more time intensive, the payoff is in the organized structure it provides, which is especially beneficial for businesses offering a broad range of services. Alternatively, you can explore the option of setting up add-ons. This method allows clients to choose additional services complementing the initial service they've booked. Keep in mind, though, that while versatile, this approach might require additional setup time to get it working flawlessly. To wrap everything up, these changes and strategies may seem like a small shift at first, but they play a pivotal role in improving your client's booking experience. By allowing multiple services to be booked within a single transaction, you save your clients precious time and reduce the hassle of multiple transactions. Whether you choose to implement one or all these methods, you're setting your business up for smoother operations and happier clients. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!